Hey everyone, in this video we are going to make 15 easy Arduino projects using 10 different sensors. So let's kick off this video with our first project. Let's start with the PIR motion sensor. Here's what you will need to make this project. This is the circuit diagram and here's how everything is connected on a breadboard. Here's how it works. When motion is detected, the bulb turns on. And if there's no motion for more than 3 seconds, the bulb automatically turns off. Let's move on to the soil moisture sensor. I'm going to use it to make a smart plant irrigation system. Here's the list of the components and the circuit diagram for the project. This is how I connected everything. When the soil moisture level falls below a certain threshold, the pump turns on. And once the moisture level reaches the set point, the pump turns off. As the name suggests, this sensor can detect a wide range of colors. Let's start with a simple project, an RGB color detector. Here's a list of the required components, followed by the circuit diagram. Assemble the circuit on a breadboard and you're good to go. Here's how it works. When the sensor detects a color, the corresponding LED lights up to match the detected color. Now on to our second exciting project. This time we will use the processing software to display the detected color on a screen. The circuit remains the same, just remove the LEDs. When idle, the program displays a cross symbol as you can see, but when you bring an object near the sensor, the screen dynamically shows the detected color. Pretty cool, right? You can download this software online. After uploading the Arduino code, run the corresponding processing program and you're good to go. Please note that all the links to the necessary code and circuit diagrams are linked in the description below. Next on the list is the IR receiver. In this project, we will be controlling a bulb and a motor with the help of a 2-channel relay module. Here's the list of the components. This is the circuit diagram for the project. Now let's see all this together. The button 1 on the IR remote turns the motor on and off, whereas button 2 does the same for the bulb. This is a water sensor, and I'll show you how to use it to build a simple rain alarm. Here's the list of parts you'll need for this project, followed by the circuit diagram. Here's how it works. When a drop of water falls on the sensor, the LED lights up and the buzzer produces a sound, alerting you to the presence of water. And once the water is removed, both the LED and buzzer turn off. Let's make 2 cool projects using this sensor as well. The first one is the distance measurement project. This is the list of the parts and the circuit diagram for the project. I am using a scale here to show how accurate the sensor is. Here's the second project built using the same sensor, and as you can see, it is very practical. This project reminds you to keep your eyes at a distance from the screen during those long hours of setting. You can use this sensor to make a cool music reactive LED project. You need the following components and connect everything according to this circuit diagram. Here I have used just 3 LEDs, but you can connect more if you want. Now this sensor is not perfect, so you have to place the speaker very close to it. Next on the list is the LDR or light dependent resistor. Let's make a light activated bulb project that automatically turns on in the dark. This is the list of the components and the circuit diagram for the project. And now for the demonstration part. When the surrounding light intensity is falling below a certain level, the bulb connected via the relay is turning on. Using this module with Arduino and the processing software, I made two simple and fun projects. First, connect it to Arduino as shown here. Then after uploading the program to your Arduino board, run this code in the processing software. The ball on the screen is moving as per the joystick position as you can see, and on pressing the button, the ball returns to the center position. Next, you can make this cool Galaxy Fighter game after running a different processing code. Once again, links to all the programs are given in the description. Next, we have an IR obstacle avoidance sensor, so let's make two cool projects using it. First is the simple alarm security project with a buzzer and an LED. Here's the physical circuit on a breadboard. When an object comes close to the sensor, the system detects it and sounds the alarm. The other project that you can make is the white and black color detection. This project requires thorough calibration because the surroundings light intensity affects the sensor readings. You need the following components for this project and connect them as shown in this circuit diagram. It's very easy to interface this sensor with Arduino. Here I have connected the sensor as well as the display using I2C pins in the circuit diagram. As you can see, real-time data from all three axes of the accelerometer and gyroscope is displayed on the OLED. We can use this data to create many cool projects. Here's an example. With the help of the processing software, I have visualized an aircraft on the screen, moving dynamically based on the sensor's readings. Next up is the BME280 sensor. Let's make a project to display temperature, humidity and pressure on an LED screen. When I place my finger over the sensor, the temperature and humidity readings update, demonstrating its sensitivity to changes in the environment.